Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Labubu dressed as Hello Kitty. Isn't that adorable? Let's start. First, I'll draw her lovely eyes big and bright. Next, I'll draw her mouth with sharp teeth. Look how cool and funny it is. On her head, Labubu is wearing a Hello Kitty hat with a cute bow. I'll draw that next. Now, I'll add her 2 ears just like this. Look, Labubu is holding a little bear in her arms. I'll draw the bear with a sweet, smiling face. Finally, I'll finish up by drawing her legs. Let's outline everything with a black marker so the drawing looks nice and clear. Now it's time to color. First, I'll use red to color the bow on her Hello Kitty hat. Doesn't it look so cute? Then, I'll color Labubu's fur pink just like Hello Kitty. For her skin, I'll use a soft cream color. Now, let's color the bear. I'll add a red bow on the bear's head, just like Labubu's. Then, I'll use brown to color the bear's body so cuddly and cute. Wow, you're doing amazing. Your drawing looks fantastic. Fun today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawings. See you next time, my friends. Goodbye.